Welcome to our channel. Today, we delve into the fascinating world of IPTV on Roku TV. But first, let's talk about the best IPTV provider, 2TV.store. Reach out to Nancy for amazing customer support. Now that we've got your curiosity piqued, let's unlock the mystery. Can you officially download IPTV directly onto Roku TV? The answer might surprise you, so stick around for these intriguing details. So, while direct installation isn't possible, I'll guide you through the best workarounds. We'll make your Roku TV experience as versatile as you imagine, without breaking complex tech barriers. Begin by screen mirroring from another device, such as your phone or tablet. This allows access to IPTV apps unavailable on Roku, making streaming as seamless as unlocking a new world. Don't forget, with our guidance, your streaming setup should be smooth and enjoyable. Now explore new genres, family favorites, and hidden gems awaiting you on the other side. Stay updated for more tech tips and subscribe for seamless enjoyment beyond the basics. Stay curious and equipped for tech surprises. See you in the next video as we dive deeper.